Today you're going to learn how to do a spiral stitch. This works better with 3 colors, but unfortunately I don't have it, so we're going to make do with what we have. So we have our 4 beads, then we're going to need 3 beads, and it's going to look something like this. So you got your 4 and you got your 3. You're going to take your needle and you are going to go up your 4 beads. And it's going to look something like this. Notice how I didn't put a stopper bead. We're going to be fine with just like this. You can leave about 6 inches or so at the bottom. And now we're going to continue that pattern and grab 1 bead, then our 3 beads again, and now we are going to go ahead and go up through 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, which is that brand new bead we just put on. So we're skipping that one, going up our 4, creating that. Okay, so we're going to continue that process. So grab our 1 bead, then grab our 3 beads. We're going to go ahead and bring that down. Then we're going to count out our next 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we're skipping the 2 and working our way up the 4. And you see how it's starting to spiral? That's what we want. So again, grab 1 bead, then 1, 2, then our 3 beads. Pull it down. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we're counting right here. Sometimes it could be tricky. Okay. I know that one seemed a little bit more challenging. It's only because my thread got caught. Let's do that again. Always remember to pull your beads down. Then count your 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it's we're only struggling because it's these pony beads and yarn. It makes it a little bit more challenging. Okay, we're going to do that again. 1, 2, 3. So we have our 4 beads. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try that again. 1, 1, 2, 3. Pull our beads down. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. See how that's looking, your spiral stitch? I'll do 2 more. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be our last one. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there we go. All right, so you just learned how to do a spiral stitch, which is what I use to create something like this. So this is using size 11 beads to create that same spiral stitch. So this is something you can do if you're thinking about creating a spiral stitch. You can make a rope necklace It could be a handle of a keychain, whatever you want to do with this piece. You can make it into earrings, whatever you want, but this is called a spiral stitch. To learn techniques like this and more, make sure you're registering for Beading University today.